Today we're going to do two-step multiplication equations. We're going to be solving for the unknown again. Please copy these examples down in your notebook. We'll start with 4x minus 9 equals 11. Just like yesterday, our goal is to isolate the variable. Because I know the solution, I know the answer, I need to use order of operations backwards. I already gave you the answer, so I'm not going to use PEMDAS. I'm going to use PEMDAS backwards, meaning I have to get rid of the minus 9. To do that, I will add 9. 11 plus 9 is 20. To undo this multiplication, I'm going to divide. I have a solution of 5. 4 times 5 is 20, minus 9 equals 11. We're also going to have problems. Negative 16 equals negative 4 minus 1/2 x. Just because I put the solution on the left-hand side of the equal sign, the process is the same. If you prefer to have the solution where you typically see it, you may just rewrite the equation, keeping everything the same, but set it equal to negative 16. I am going to do order of operations backwards, so to say, to undo it, to isolate the variable. To get rid of negative 4, I'm going to add 4. Negative 16 plus 4 is negative 12. Here I need to be very, very careful that I do not lose, drop, or forget that negative sign. That is a negative 1/2 x. We talked about fractions yesterday. Even though this is a fraction, the variable is not part of the fraction, so it is a number written next to a letter, meaning multiplication. I need to divide by negative 1/2. When dividing by a fraction, it's like multiplying by the reciprocal. So I would do top times top, bottom times bottom, and I get 24. Last, you're going to see math problems that will include decimals. 12 minus 3 4/10 x will equal negative 8 4/10. Just like before, I'm going to try to isolate the variable so I have the solution. I need to work backwards. There is no sign in front of the 12, so we know that means plus or positive. So I will subtract 12 from both sides, being very, very careful that I do not drop or lose the negative sign. And I get negative 20 4/10. A number, no matter the type, fraction or decimal or whole, written next to a variable is multiplication. To undo that multiplying, I need to divide. When I divide here, I get positive 6. If this was an answer, I will always round to the nearest tenth.